Welcome to HexaCorp. In today's video, we will see the difference between classic SharePoint web paths and modern SharePoint web paths. SharePoint provides many out-of-the-box user interface web paths components. Let's get into one by one in detail. Text web path. The purpose of text web path is to add text and other content. Classic text web path allows to add formatted text, tables, hyperlinks, and images. Also allows to add text and other content directly to a wiki page. Modern text web path allows to easily add and format text and tables on a page. It has a formatting toolbar where we can format text, change styles, and more. Document library web path. The purpose of document library web path is to show a document library. In Classic, we can create a list or library on site. A web path of the same name as the list or library is automatically created. Can access by using app category web path placed with zones. In Modern, we can choose to show a specific view of the library, and users with appropriate permissions can add, view, or edit files directly from the web path. Users can also pin a document to the top of the library, download, delete, and rename files or library by clicking See All. List View Web Path. The purpose of List View Web Path is to show a list. Classic List allows to display a list from site on a page and customize it with own title, view, and even size. Types of list we can use are custom list, announcement list, contact list, and issue tracking list. Users can view, filter, sort, and group the list. Users can show specific view in the web path. Users can change the appearance and layout properties. Modern List allows to display a list from site on a page and customize it with own title, view, and even size. Types of list we can use are custom list, announcement list, contact list, and issue tracking list. Additionally, formatted columns, nested groups, and attention view can be displayed in the web path. Contacts web path. The purpose of Contacts web path is to add contacts. In Classic, Contact Details web path enables to see contact details of an employee like name, ID, mobile number, profile picture, etc. Only one contact can be added. User image can be added if not present. In Modern, People web path can show the photos, contact information, and more of the people in your organization. Show compact or descriptive cards. Profile link and description can be added. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel and stay tuned for another discussion on SharePoint web path component.